Hey, what's up guys, it's the Meridian Apurture, and here we have a very special unboxing. We have the Galaxy S21 Plus in-house. Now this is what you would get in your pre-order. So with Samsung, they are always doing loads of deals and things, and in this occasion they gave us an option to add a Galaxy Smart Tag and a pair of wireless Galaxy Buds for free. In this case it's the Galaxy Buds Live, as I've got the S21 Plus model. With the Ultra, you would get the Galaxy Buds Pro, which are those fancy new Galaxy Buds. So let's open up this package. So this is just the box it comes in. It says Samsung at the top. And we have a little flap that we have to lift up. And inside, first of all, we have the Galaxy Buds Live. These were introduced with the Galaxy Note 20 series. So I'll open those up in a bit. Then we've got the brand new Galaxy Smart Tag. I'm constantly losing my keys, so they're definitely going to go straight onto my keyring. And the main event, of course, the Galaxy S21 Plus 5G. Every phone nowadays is 5G, so I don't know why they have to keep putting 5G on the boxes, but there we go, it's 5G. So let's open it up, shall we? So this is the Galaxy S21 Plus. It's the base model, so it's 128 gigabytes with 8 gigabytes of RAM. There is unfortunately no micro SD card storage anymore. And as you'll notice now, the box is very, very slim. If I just get my S20 box, which is last year's model, you can see it's about half as thick. That of course means there are no headphones or a charger in the box, but overall I really don't mind because I have so many headphones and charging bricks lying around. But of course if you pre-ordered it, then you won't mind because you'll be getting some Galaxy Buds Live, or if you ordered the Ultra you'll be getting some Galaxy Buds Pro. Anyhow, let's open her up, shall we? So it's a lovely looking box. You've got your respective colour on the front. I have the Phantom Silver model here, and it's got the lovely reflective colour on the front, Galaxy logo on the side, and then just some spec information and made in Vietnam on the back. We do have two seals this time. There's normally only one seal. I've got my sharp knife here. Do be careful if you're opening up with a knife. Be very careful and just slide through the tabs. And let's open her up. First things first, we see the phone itself. I was not expecting the phone to be on top actually, I was expecting there to be something on top of it. But here's the phone itself. Oh my goodness, that silver colour is so beautiful. And I can already see it's got a matte finish on the back, which is fantastic. But my first impressions are just it looks so nice, and it feels a bit heavier than my S20 Plus actually. So let's see what else we get in the box, and then we'll check out the phone. Then we've got a box of other things, and that's it. Of course there's no charger or headphones in the box, are there? So what do we get in here? There is a single USB-C to USB-C cable. So if you want to charge it with this cable, of course you'll need a USB-C power brick. And then we have the usual warranty information, etc. And then on here we have the SIM card ejector tool. There is no micro SD expansion unfortunately this year. So some of you might be disappointed by that, but personally I really don't mind because I never use all the storage on my phone anyway. I use my phones to record videos, but I always put it onto my computer and then I can get rid of it on my phone so it's not taking up any of the space. Let's get back to the device, shall we? So this is the Galaxy S21 Plus. Let's take off the plastic. So over the camera module as well. This time this is metal rather than glass, which means it's a lot more durable. I've seen some drop tests and it does do very well thanks to the metal around the cameras. And on the front side. And there is the phone itself. I can immediately see there is a pre-applied screen protector, which is very nice for Samsung to include. And on the back we also have this label, which I need to remove now. A little bit of residue left over there, but that's fine. It will come off very easily. First things first, I've never had a matte glass phone before, and this does feel very premium, I will say. The Samsung logo itself is shiny glass, and as you can see, it's got a lovely kind of pearlescent look to it. The frame itself is shiny aluminium. Let's take off these plastic bits on the sides. Very long. I can already tell this is going to be very good at rejecting fingerprints, as of course I've been touching it this whole time and it's not got any on the back, which is very nice because of that matte finish. Let's have a look at this camera module then. So this is the main design change. They've kind of integrated it into the frame so it spills over the side and goes into the back. I think it looks very elegant and it looks very, very nice. And of course you've got 3 pretty large camera lenses and then a single LED flash. The SIM tray is now at the bottom rather than up top, so do be careful if you're using your SIM ejector tool, because the microphone hole, as you can see, is just on the right hand side of the SIM tray, so make sure you're putting it into the right hole. It doesn't matter if you put it into the wrong one because it's not going to damage the microphone, as the microphone is put in off center. So that's the S21 Plus. Here's the Galaxy Smart Tag. These were also announced alongside the S21 series. So if you lose items a lot, like myself, then these will probably come in very handy for you. I'm constantly losing my keys, so to have this on my keyring will mean I will be able to find my keys a lot easier than I have been. So let's open these up, shall we? As you can tell, I'm not a professional unboxer. There we go. That's open. And here is the Galaxy Smart Tag. It's very, very small. I was wondering about that. So there's a little slot here, and that's where your battery goes. It comes with one installed, I believe. But when you need to do battery replacement, that's where the battery is contained. And it's just a little tiny device. I'll compare it to the S21 Plus actually, so you can see the actual size difference. So that's the phone, and that's the Smart Tag itself. I'll put it on the back so you can see it a bit better. That's how big the Smart Tag is. It's very small. I'll have a review of each of these products coming up in the next few weeks. If you guys want to stay tuned, please do subscribe down below if you're new to this channel. I love doing these videos and showing you guys the very latest technology. So that's the Galaxy Smart Tag. And last but not least, we have the Galaxy Buds Live. These came out with the Galaxy Note 20 series, but still, they came for free with the S21 Plus because I pre-ordered mine. And here they are. They come with a little plastic wrapper around them, which you can just open up like so. And here they are. Oh dear, it's a very shiny coating, isn't it? I can tell that's going to get covered in scratches very quickly. Never mind. As you can see, I've been given the black ones. I do like this more squarish case over the smaller one that I have with my regular Galaxy Buds, and that's what they look like on the back. These do have active noise cancellation, although I've been told it's not particularly great. But I've had problems with my regular Galaxy Buds in terms of one ear being quieter than the other, so having some new ones included for free with my new Galaxy is a bonus. I do like the case though. It's a bit larger and it's more squared, and of course it works with wireless power share. So if you guys need to charge your device and you only have your phone handy, then you have your buds right there. What else do we get inside the box? I don't think you get any cables or anything. It might just be some paperwork. Let's open this and find out, shall we? I can never open these without damaging them. Quick start guide. It's just your standard stuff and tells you how to clean them and what the different parts are. And then here, of course, is just your warranty card guide. So guys, that's been my unboxing of the new Galaxy S21 Plus and everything you will get in your pre-order. Of course, the buds will be the Buds Pro if you go for the Ultra in your pre-order. But I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please do stay tuned, as I will have reviews coming up of all these devices, talking about the good, the bad and the ugly, if there are any, in day-to-day use. And I will hope to see you in the next one. Thank you guys so much for surpassing me to over 330 subscribers. It's greatly appreciated. Please do like down below, subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one.